Just want to talk to my black brothers and sisters real quick. You know what? I realized one thing that we got to stop doing, and it feels like it's a curse because we do this all the time. And in order for us to get to where we really need to get to, we got to stop this. We got to stop going to the wrong source just so the right source won't tell us how we fucking up. You know, it seems like we don't want nobody to tell us we in the wrong, but we need to hear we in the wrong. If we in the wrong, and if you got something that's good, a good vision and goal inside of you, people will try to knock it. So you got to protect it. I get that, but you have to listen to reason. Reason. Don't be naive. You know what I mean? Don't don't be ignorant in the situation when there's knowledge all around us. If we're going to get ourselves out of the situation that we're in America, then we got to work together. We're going to have to pay for what we need: education, knowledge, wisdom, using it, building our own businesses, owning our own land, owning our own schools, owning our own groceries. Man, listen, we got to do a full 360 starting 2020. We got to own things, and I mean everything. And there's nothing wrong with looking good, because you know we like to look good. We make looking good a science, a art. We got other people doing it, looking good like us, and we ain't even got no money. They got money copying what we doing because we like looking good. So they love what we do. They love our hip hop. They might steal it and they make more money off of it than we are. But it's all good, because we finna break these chains now. We know what's going on. As long as I'm awoke, I'm gonna give it to you. You can take it, you can use it, you can throw it away, but I'm gonna give it to you anyway. You see what I'm saying? Because I want to see you do better. I want to see you win. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna show you by example. If you follow me, you subscribe to me on YouTube, I'm gonna show you by example. Every day I'm gonna post something. Every day you might hear it ding 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 2-3 times a day. Just a reminder. Utilize your time. Man, I ain't got the time to do this. Yes you do. Yes you do. You got the time. Do it. Make sure it happens. Go that extra mile. And I'm gonna remind you. So when you hit them dings on your phone, ding ding ding, you be like, man, Phoenix is, man, what is he doing? Man, he just dropped one. Man, what is he talking about? It don't matter. I'm just trying to show you. You gotta be persistent. Hold on.